I'm Lisa, and it's the early morning here in the Grand Mat. This is our last day. We're going to leave early in the morning tomorrow. Pierre's already gone off to customs, and I'm busy getting things ready on the boat, making sure everything's tucked away. And I'm about to wake up Tiller and go for a walk and give a tour of what the Grand Mat looks like early in the morning before the crowds arrive to have lunch at this seaside town, which has really been just a lovely town that we've very much enjoyed staying at. But we're anxious to be off, and we'll be off early morning tomorrow. So let's look at the dog. Ready for your walk? I think so. And then the next thing we do is we put our passerelle down, because we don't leave it attached to the dock at night.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling
There's a lot of people looking at our boat, even this time in the morning.
While I'm on a one-way track.
Go by the vet, where Tiller will be coming later today. Get her rabies shot for her passport.
What it means to grow. Oh, yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow.
Like everywhere else in the world, they're building new building in the Grand Mat. Right by the beach. It's full of people in the afternoon. All the doors will be open, the outside cafes. Full of people, really nice restaurants. I love it in the morning though when it's empty.
Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
And we can see biotrek with the black carbon mast way over there. Come on, Tiller, let's go. Go on, wash your feet. Go on, wash your feet, Tiller. Come on. Feet. Go on.
I'm a traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Canyo. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, And even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own.
Juste pour dire au revoir, merci à Xavier d'avoir arrêté ici.
Merci à vous.
Merci.
Bon courage.
Oui.
Bon vent, comme on dit.
Oui.
Et puis on vous souhaite tout le meilleur avec ce bateau, des bons moments.
Et Stéphane, tu as réussi parce que tu es en train de travailler. Encore.
Toujours.
Technique du juste à temps.
C'était énorme ce constructeur du bol et du gréement. Ah, bonjour, moi je m'appelle Jean-Pierre et c'est avec plaisir que je vais accompagner Biotrek jusqu'à Gibraltar.
long. And, well, I guess these seas are like 20 foot. I got the crock pot going for lunch. So I guess you could say I'm in the galley cooking right now. Anyways, the boat's going smoothly. Got 2 reefs in. Should have only hit a big one, it can really rock. But the waves are coming right over the cabin of the roof of the boat right now.
it's been. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Worry way too much. Got a policy. Did it bring me luck? Just the honesty. Now it's all on me. If I'm gonna win, oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me.
I think it's even calm enough to make lunch now.
Just don't get enough of me.
I think it might be calm enough to make lunch.
Almost.
Just don't get enough of me. Wanna go back in time when everything seems so clear, and when the problems we carried weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all.
Yeah.
Just don't
C'est
get
le
enough
soleil,
of me.
le soleil. Jean-Pierre. Pierre.
Just don't get enough of me.
Et on a le coucher du soleil. Voilà.
Just don't get enough of me.